self-portrait, so I'm going to teach you the proportions of the face on this half sheet of paper here. So what I want you to do first is mark where the top of the head is and the bottom of the head, and kind of decide how big that head's gonna be. So just kind of sketch out an oval shape. And if you notice, my oval looks like an upside down egg, okay? So I want you to do this shape, and then once you have your shape, you can go over with a little bit darker line. You have to draw light so you got it right though, so don't do it too dark. And erase any extra sketch marks that you don't want to keep. Now we're going to find about where the middle of the face is, so I'm going to draw a really light line. You might not be able to see that, but this is where we're going to draw our eyes. And you can actually fit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 eyes across your face. So we're going to mark where those 5 eyes would be. So I'd have one here, one here, one here, and then one on each side of the face. Now we're actually only going to use here and here, so just draw a light oval right there. Kind of looks like you're wearing glasses right now. Now this is where the eyes are going to be, and this is how we draw the face so that it looks proportional. Now once you have where your eyes are going to be, you can go ahead and shape them more like almonds or footballs so they look more like eyes. Okay, now halfway down the head are the eyes, and halfway down between the eyes and the chin is the nose. So we're going to draw a little line there, and then halfway between the nose and the chin is the mouth. So we're going to draw another line there. Now the nose, what you want to do is start out with a U shape, and then you can put a C and a backward C for the nose, and erase the guidelines. Now we also have this bridge of the nose that goes up between and arches over, so if you want to draw that lightly you could, or you can skip that part, it's up to you. But this is where the eyebrows would be, so we look funny without eyebrows. I'm going to go ahead and draw those in. And if you accidentally draw caterpillars instead of eyebrows, you can erase out like I'm going to and make them look a little better. Now for the mouth, again it's halfway between the nose and the chin. This would be the center of the lips, so I'm going to draw sort of like a stretched out M on top. And then about halfway down from the eyes, this will be the corner of the mouth. You can mark that. Stretch it into a smile. And then you're going to just join that M to the corners. Down here, we're going to draw a little line. And we're just going to stretch that up almost to the corners. Like that. Now that I have the nose and the mouth drawn, I'm going to go back and add the details of the eyes. So we have the football shape, and inside of the football shape is a circle. And notice that the circle comes out from under here and touches the bottom. I'm going to do the same thing on both sides. And I like to leave out a little highlight. So I'm going to make a circle here that will stay white. And then I'm going to make another circle in the very center of the eyes. And this one will be black. Okay, same thing on the other side. Then we'll go ahead and draw some eyelids. Just 2 lines above it. And some eyelashes. Now boys and girls have eyelashes, but I know that if you draw them long, it looks like a girl, so your choice. You can even do a few down on the bottom. Okay, now that we have most of the face drawn, let's do the ears. And ears start about where the eyes are and go down to about the lips. So they just go out a little and tuck back in. And then same thing on the other side. Measure out about where they are, go out a little, and tuck back in. All right, now, yep, we're bald. So the hair actually swoops over this is the top of your head, and the hair swoops over. I'm gonna have mine parted to the side, but you can draw your hair however you want, and it goes up over your scalp just a little bit. And again, if your hair looks different than mine, you're gonna wanna draw your hair to look like yourself, okay? Then, obviously, we want to erase this line here. The only reason you would keep it is if you had a headband in your hair, because that's where a headband would go. Now, we need to draw the neck. And the neck usually comes out from a little inside of where the ears are, goes down a little, and then we'll just draw a U shape for the neckline. For the shoulders, we can draw them out and down, and they'll either run into the side of your paper or you can run them all the way down to the bottom of your paper. Again, out and down, and into the side or all the way down. Now, you can continue to work on your hair. Maybe you add earrings, maybe you have glasses you can draw on there, and then you can also draw, this is where the sleeve of the shirt is, and the arm. You can definitely decorate your shirt. You can add a pocket, a logo, whatever you want to add is up to you, because it is a self-portrait, which is a drawing of you, okay? And then after that would be when you go in and add color, outlines, anything else you wanted to add.